Hello, welcome. I am Heath. I have been attending STEMSEL for the last 6 months now, and I'm really loving it. I'm going to show you some of the things that I've been doing at STEMSEL.
In one of the advanced STEMSEL classes I attended a few weeks ago, we were learning about binary digits, or bits. One of the projects we put together using a STEMSEL microprocessor was a binary counter. In class we only made a 4-bit counter, a nibble counter. At home a couple of days later, I put together an 8-bit counter using extra LEDs I had lying around. This made a byte counter.
One of the other things I've always loved is fiddling with Lego.
Over the years, my dad and I have collected lots of Lego. We have organised it into boxes and labelled them so we can always find the piece we need. To include a STEMSEL microprocessor into Lego projects, we have modified Lego bricks to include light-dependent resistors, LEDs, and servo motors, as well as connectors to allow us to control Lego motors with a STEMSEL board. A few months ago we started by using those modified bricks to build a train set with a working train crossing controlled by a microprocessor.
2 weeks ago at school, we had to bring 2 things that described who we are. I just decided to bring Lego and a computer. To join these 2 things together, I used a STEMSEL microprocessor to make a Lego line following robot.
My dad and I had a competition to see who could build the best line follower. The line followers incorporated 2 light-dependent resistors and an LED to follow a line. We took a bit of fine-tuning to the programming to get the robots to follow a white line on carpet. We also reprogrammed the robots to follow a black line on shiny floors. I took my line follower to school and presented it to the class. My teacher and classmates were very impressed. As a result of this, we may start up a STEMSEL club at school.
As you can see, I really enjoy making and modifying Lego bricks in STEMSEL. I can see myself doing this for a long time to come.
We have already started improving our Lego train set by including working boom gates. We intend to continue to expand the layout by installing more sensors to detect trains going the opposite direction and installing STEMSEL microprocessors into the trains themselves to control their movement. We'll keep you updated with our progress.